I'll wait here with you until your mom comes back. You don't have to come closer. You can stop. Hey.
Tell me what you're feeling now, John. The silverback is just behind you, and there are 3 babies squashed between him and you.
He's a little survivor. Yeah, he looks like a bear actually. I'm a bear! I'm a bear!